Ever felt that bump when your car crosses a bridge? Those gaps aren't construction mistakes. They're a clever piece of engineering keeping the bridge from breaking apart. Bridges are huge structures, and just like everything else, they expand when it's hot and shrink when it's cold. On a summer day, a long bridge can grow several inches in length. Without a way to handle that movement, cracks, warping, or even serious damage could happen. Those gaps are called expansion joints. They're designed to open and close slightly as the bridge moves with temperature changes. They also handle movement caused by heavy traffic, wind, and even small earthquakes. Without these joints, the stress from expansion would push against the bridge's supports, and that force is strong enough to break concrete or bend steel. There are different types. Some use steel plates shaped like fingers. Others use rubber seals to keep water out. Engineers choose the right design based on climate, traffic, and how much movement they expect. So the next time you hit that little bump on a bridge, remember, it's not bad paving. It's an invisible safeguard, quietly working to keep the whole structure standing. This is Skynest, exploring the engineering behind the world you see every day.